Heidi ho! Right, Mr. Wonderful here. You're going to have to forgive the mess because I'm doing glass at the moment. But I'm doing a quick video for beer. He wants to know something. So this is for you, mate. And, well, everybody can get something out of this video. So, I just brought up some water. I do have some liberal sulphur here somewhere, yeah. Or when I haven't got liberal sulphur, I use... I just use 2 drops of this stuff. So I'll let that take, and I'll be back in a tick. That might take a minute or two. Right, that's been a minute or two. What we got? Right. Yeah, because at the moment I've moved all my coin ring making stuff over, and this is my glass stuff, so forgive me. But this is for beer. A couple of you guys might find it interesting. Right. Yeah, I'm nearly out of the old liberal sulphur. I've got some on order. This is one of them coins I made about a week ago when I did 10 in a day for the video, so I didn't have to do this while I'm making glass. But beer's been good to me, so this is for you, beer. Let's get a bit more cleaner. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've got glass everywhere at the moment. Hope everybody's doing well. And I'd like to thank you for commenting. There's a few people commenting now. Thank you so much. It helps my channel grow. Robert from Australia. There's a few of you. And of course Bear, he comments in every single one of my videos. He's a star player. And Bear wanted to know something, so here we go. It's nothing. Oh, there you go. That'll do. This is mainly... Right, this is what Bear wants to know. And I suppose the camera's going to go sad on me. He wanted to know how well, when he sprays his rings, I don't know if he sprays them or what, hold on a sec, I'm just getting one to show you. Right, I bought a load of these. I think these are bulldog clips or what they used to use years ago. So I take that out and I sharpen up the edges to a point, and then, because evidently I don't know how Bear does his, but he gets a drip when he sprays it or whatever he does. It runs down and he gets a drip. But with me, I spray it, but I don't go crazy. I don't go put a load on. So what I do is try and I spray it. And that'll do. Now after about what, 10, 15, 20 minutes. I'll turn it over. Well, I'll come back and show you. So I'll be back in about, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 minutes, but that'll be about a second for you. If I can find my thing. So I'll be back in a tick. Tick. What? Okay, back. Okay, beer, it's been about 20 minutes. Now, all I'm going to do now, as you can see, there's no drips or, you know, it's pretty good. So all I'm going to do now is turn it over, like so. I'm going to get my scabby hands to work properly. I'm going to try and get it so it's centered, so it's not on the piss too much. There you go, that ain't too bad. And then all I do, I just give it another spray. I just spin it. I don't go crazy, and that's enough. Because this stuff is really good. So I'll be back in about another half hour. About a second to you lot, so I'll be back in a minute. Or two. Achoo. Okay, beer. It's been about 30 minutes. It is touch dry. So let's go down to the table. Forgive the glass, is what I'm doing at the moment. So there you go. There's no drips or runs. You just give it a light coat and then turn it over and give it another coat. I'll tell you what, I don't know if you're interested in this. I don't know if this happens in England or the States. But yesterday I got a thing from the health authority. And it's a little tiny, like a little test tube with a little stick in there. And they do this every year. It's for, it sounds a bit, I don't know why I'm telling you this, but you take a sample of your poo, just a small sample. It's nothing like, you know, a big turd or nothing. And it's in like distilled water or some sort of chemical. You send it off, and they're checking for cancer of the colon and the rectum. It's the third most common cancer in Finland. Some 3,500 people are diagnosed with it every year, and 1,300 die of it. So every year they test it. I suppose it's better to get it early. It probably saves them a lot of money. But there you go. Did you get this in England or America or wherever you're from? Anyway, enough about poo. But there you go, beer. There's no runs. There's no drips. It's perfect. I don't know how you do yours. I don't know if you spray it. Spraying's better. But there you go, mate. I mean, the stuff I used it doesn't come in a spray can. So what I do is I take it to a custom paint shop, and they put it in a spray can for me so I can spray it. Because I used to, I tried with a tiny paintbrush, and I used to get the odd drip. I don't know if that's how you do yours, beer, but if it is, find a custom paint sort of place, and they'll put some in a can for you, and then you can spray it on. But that's what I do, and it's a lot easier. No drips, no runs. It's perfect. Anyway, beer, and anybody else that's interested, that's what I do. And this is what I'm doing at the moment, making pendants. This has all got to go in the kiln yet, but anywho's, have a great day. Hope everybody's well, and yeah, try and make someone smile. It still fits this finger perfectly, because I made this, I don't know, last week. I made 10 in one day for videos, so I could still do the glass. But anywho's, the rest of you can have this. Have it!